Lifetime Shutters is delighted to offer you on the market the really new product, which is Earth Shutters. It's aluminium shutters. Yes, you heard well, aluminium shutters. So we made aluminium shutters to look like a proper shutters. On top of that, we put locks on it for security, so you feel safe. You can go on holiday without any problems. You lock it and you're good to go. On top of that, it comes in 3 different colors available. You're gonna have in white, in black, and silver as well. It comes in 3 different louver sizes. It comes in a 63 millimeters, the one which we have present here at the moment, and 89 millimeters and 114 millimeters. As you can see, it's pretty tough. We lock it, your house is safe. Then it can be that 2 options. It can be fitted either outside or inside. Outside, mostly on your door frame. We offer locks as well. You're free to go. Then inside as well, on inside, there's another feature as well. We can offer you louver locks. Louver locks, as you can see, there's a button here. You release it, you move your louvers. Then you close it, the louvers are locked.